In this video, I'll show you how to clone or stage a WordPress installation in SPanel. So to do that, we firstly need to log into the SPanel admin interface, and then from there log into the SPanel user interface of the account where our WordPress installation is. Then get to the WordPress manager under the software section. This is a new account and I don't have a WordPress installation here, so I'll quickly install WordPress. The installation will take a couple of seconds to complete, and once it completes, we'll be able to clone it or stage it. And then I'll also show you how to revert the changes from a staged WordPress installation back to the production installation. Okay, the installation has just completed. It is very important to note that when we want to clone or stage a WordPress installation, we do that to a subdomain. That's why I'll get to the subdomain section and add a subdomain which I will use to clone the WordPress I just installed. So let's use dev.spanel.io. And I will clone the WordPress installation to dev.spanel.io from the Actions menu. Here, next to the WordPress installation I want to clone, I click on the Clone button, and then from the domains and subdomains, I'll choose dev.spanel.io and click on the Clone button, which will copy both the files in the database and basically clone the WordPress installation to dev.spanel.io, where I can do whatever I want to do and test. Once I'm done testing with the clone version, I can just remove it again from the Action button and uninstall. This will remove the cloned WordPress I just added. How to stage WordPress? Let's say we want to make a copy of our WordPress installation and then make some changes to the WordPress in there, install additional plugins or updates, and verify all those sections do not break the website. And then once we are happy with the result, we can push those changes back to the production website so that we don't do them twice. I'll create a separate subdomain, which will be stage.spanel.io, and I will perform a staging action of the existing WordPress installation to this new subdomain I just created. To do that, I click on the Actions button and I choose Stage. I'll select the stage.spanel.io subdomain and initiate the process. It is now in progress. Once the process completes, okay, there we go. We have now staged the WordPress installation on SPanel.io to stage.spanel.io. Now we can make changes to this installation, install plugins or whatever we want to change there. And once we want those changes pushed back to the production website, which is at SPanel.io, we can click on the Actions button next to the stage installation, and we'll see here a button Push Live. Once we click on it, we'll be able to select what exactly we would like to push to the production installation, if we want to push just the files or both the files and the database. Then we click Revert, and all of the changes we made on stage.spanel.io will be pushed to the production installation, to the production website at SPanel.io. So that's it. It's very easy and very straightforward. It doesn't require any technical skills.